Hi students, Losing True is a song by the Roaches, three sisters, that had a fantastic album. Keep On Going was the name of the album. On the same album, they do a three-part Hallelujah chorus by Handel, and it's fantastic. Being sisters, that's the same DNA that was in the works for the Beach Boys, the Wilson brothers, and of course the Everly brothers. There's something incredible about siblings singing, and Susie sang the low part to that, and they had all the other parts covered. It was it's a great. Now this song is a fantastic tune, and it has a very unique strum. Now you see the chords are pretty easy. Also, I might notice that there is about 2 measures in between the chords, because the word, it's like I'm losing you. It's like it's like 2 measures, but the so it's the E is the intro, and the strum is down, 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 down. Again. Down, 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 and then the next measure. So the piece, that's the intro, and it's 2 measures. So let me get a metronome going. 1, 2, ready, and. It's very elongated, and it's a fantastic tune. Oh, the B7th. We'll work on it more Saturday morning.